Hello and welcome to CineSelect. Okay, if you have recently been scrolling through Amazon Prime questioning which new Prime movies in 2025 are genuinely worth your time, here is the video you have been looking for. This year, Prime has released a number of really creative original films, ranging from intense action to surreal science fiction and unexpected hidden gems that no one has yet to discuss. So take a seat and let's go through the best Prime movies that should be on your watch list now. Number 10. You are cordially invited. In this comedy film from 2025, Will Ferrell and Kristen Wiig cross off in a wonderfully messy wedding. The narrative centers on a modest woman who is thrilled that she can finally throw her ideal wedding until she finds out that another pair has reserved the same lavish location for the same date. What starts out as a friendly effort to resolve the situation turns into fully fledged rivalry and ridiculous plots and growing confusions. The film, directed by Nicholas Styler, strikes the right balance between emotional scenes about family and love, resulting in an excellent choice for everyone looking for a fun, heartfelt 2025 release. Number 9. Hedda. Nia DaCosta directed this elegant reinterpretation of Henrik Lofsson's Hedda Gabler. The movie is set in 1950s England as Hedda arrives from her honeymoon and throws a lavish party in a house she and her husband cannot afford. But underneath the glamour and generosity is a web of smoldering anger, unmet aspirations, and deceptive tactics. The film delves deep into questions of self-image, intimidation, and desire. Number 8. Play Dirty. Based on the beloved Donald E. West's Blood series, it is the fast-paced action thriller of 2025. The narrative centers on Parker, an experienced burglar with a rigid code of conduct who is betrayed after a boast theft and left for dead. Parker, desperate to exact revenge and reclaim what is rightfully his, faces a treacherous underworld rife with vicious criminal leaders, treachery, and spectacular action. Overall, Play Dirty ranks as one of the most enjoyable crime thrillers of 2025 and a must-see for fans of classy action. Number 7. Broken Rage. It is a 2025 action comedy movie directed by T.C. Kitano. It is a 2025 action comedy movie directed by T.C. Kitano. The movie is divided into two separate parts. The first is brutal Yakuza-style thriller that centers on a hitman named Nazumi who becomes embroiled between the police and the Yakuza mafia. The second part reenacts the same plot but does not so in a wide-ranging satirical comedy, resulting in an international change in tone. The film offers intelligent genre mockery and stunning crime drama brutally with its short running length and audacious stylish experiment. Although Broken Rage is worth checking out if you are looking for something unusual from 2025 that plays with genre. Number 6. Playdate. In this energetic action comedy, Kevin James plays Brian, a recently jobless financial expert who agrees to an informal game day request from the other father, Alan Richardson's character, Jeb. However, a relaxed session with their kids turns into a full-fledged survival disaster when a group of vicious criminals arrives. The film is directed by Luke Greenfield and features a supporting cast that includes Sarah Chalke, Alan Tudyk, and Isla Fisher. Number 5. The Map That Leads to You. It is a romance drama directed by Lucy Hellstrom. Based on J.P. Munger's book, it focused on Heather, a recently graduated college student who goes on a European journey with her friends, where she joins Jack, a mystery tourist following his great-grandfather's diary throughout Spain, Portugal, and Italy. The film, shot in gorgeous places, combines the appeal of holiday romance with inner realization. Number 4. The Siege at Throne High. It is a dystopian action film directed by Yuko Anir. The movie takes place in Jakarta, where Edwin, an interim teacher, works at Throne High, a juvenile detention facility, while discreetly looking for his lost nephew. However, when protests break out and the educational facility becomes a battlefield, Edwin and his nephew have to fight for their lives against aggressive students and social ruin. Although it offers powerful social commentary on ethnic conflicts and the fascinating visuals. Number 3. The Assignment. It is a sci-fi thriller that revolves around Mia and Arian, a married couple in a futuristic community where supplies are strictly regulated and parenting is regarded as an elite privilege. The narrative progresses as they go through a week-long assessment by examiner Virginia, played by Alicia Vikander, who lives in their house to watch and determine whether or not they are suitable candidates for parenthood. Sci-fi audiences will find the film's compelling idea, deep world building and powerful performances intriguing from the very first scene. Number 2. Heads of State. It is a global action comedy that features Idris Elba as UK Prime Minister Sam Clark and John Cena as the United States President Will Daringer. The story follows as the two face challenges when their aircraft gets shot down and must work together while they are being chased throughout Europe by a wicked foe. With Priyanka Chopra Jonas' portrayal of M16 agent Noel Bitit adding to the intrigue. The film swings toward buddy movie humor, enormous set pieces, and witty global leader paradise, providing sleek amusement rather than profound political accuracy. Its appeal stems primarily from the chemistry between Elba and Cena, while the plot is shallow and familiar. Number 1. Deep Cover. It is an action comedy movie directed by Tom Kingsley. Bryce Dallas Howard plays Kat, a stand-up comedy instructor who, as well as two of her trainees, is enlisted by police to join a violent gang. What began as a comic absurdity suddenly devolved into full-fledged crime underwater turmoil, with the group playing their way across risky scenarios and misplaced persons. The movie blends action sequences, crime stakes, and hilarious situations. Although the premise is ridiculous and the tone switch between comedy and crime occasionally falter, the main attraction is its dynamic concept, quickly cast chemistry, and skillful execution. Overall, Deep Cover is a good film to watch if you are in the mood for something light-hearted, fast-paced, and unusual. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel to see more videos related to movies and series suggestions. Thank you.